All right, so this is a 2021, and I have the latest version of BlueCruise. As you can see, we're going to go under cruise control, have the lane change assist, and that will allows you to use the turn signal lever to indicate that you want your vehicle to change lanes. It will do it for you. We're going to test that out. This is a 2021, again, running the latest version. I believe it's 1.4 of BlueCruise that has the lane change assist. You can see it's 2021. I have the digital temperature dials and other stuff. So let's test it out on the interstate here. All right, so here's a quick demonstration. This is a 2021. Has the BlueCruise with the lane change assist on here. I'm just gonna show you a little bit here, give you just a quick demonstration how it works. So you can see I'm in this lane here. I don't have to fully engage the turn signal. I can just lightly engage it. It says changing lanes, and then now we're in this lane here. All right, so it does appear that it works when you fully engage the stalk. So preparing lane change, changing lanes, and then, but it does not turn off your turn signal, so you'll need to do that yourself. So if you just slightly tap it, it keeps your turn signal going and does the lane change. And then your turn signal stops. So that is it. So I did notice another little change. So if you're coming into like a pretty steep turn, you'll see like an arrow, whichever way the turn is, that pops up above the speedometer number there, and it'll kind of show you that you're coming into a somewhat of a steeper turn. And I didn't notice that before the update, so that might be a new feature. All right, that's it. It's working. It's awesome. So thanks for watching. See ya.